Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do fade in text on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first, let's add a text right here by pressing T on our keyboard and then clicking here on our video. So go click it, and then we're gonna go type our text. So for example, a sample, and then we're just gonna change the font for this one right here. Let's change the font using our essential graphics right here. And yeah, now we have this one, so it's very simple. So now to add a fade in right here is very simple. All you have to do is right click right here at the beginning of your text clip, right click and apply default transitions, and just like that you have now a fade in just like so. And you can even expand this if you think that is too quick, so you can make it longer just like that depending on what you want by dragging this right here. And if you can't see this transition right here, then you can just press on your plus key while selecting on your timeline so that you would be able to expand it like this, or you can just drag this out right here just like so. Right here you can do it like this one right there. And then if you don't find this cross dissolve or this default transition enough, then another option is that you can go into effects and type in dissolve. And then from here you would see a lot of dissolve transitions that you can replace cross dissolve with. So you can go for deep to black, and then you can just drag it right here into your clip just like so. As you can see, it's now highlighted, and now we now have the deep to black, and then it's now like this. And as you can see, it's not really that good, so I suggest that you just go for the default transitions. But you have these other effects right here. We're not gonna go through one by one on it right there. So that is basically how you can do it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.